मेरे चैनल के साथ लोग उम्मीद करती होगी बुम और बहुत अच्छा सुनाना मौसम है जो भी कहते हैं।
Look at the sun, everyone. So guys, can we tell a sad news? We're going to the swimming pool today, but it didn't happen. Who cares about swimming pool when you have some crazy move there?
Guys, cutie pie is here.
Cutie pie! Oh, he's so cutie pie. Oh,
His name is he.
Harry Houdini, stop! Come here! Who's gonna come to mommy? Well, they treat me as I'm their mommy. Yeah, definitely. And where is my little weedy sweetie? Come here. Come here. Sure. No, I'm not gonna open the gate. I know why you're sitting like that. And guys, it's raining a little bit. It's kind of drops. And look at it, this beauty queen. Okay, fine. I'm giving. Fine.
He's saying मुझे झूला चाहिए.
It's so cutie pie.
That's so cute. So.
Should I give you the crazy one?
Oh my God. Oh, please touch it. One minute, touch it.
Ooh!
It's so soft, man.
Yes.
Again, touch it again.
Ow!
It's so
It
soft.
hurts. Look, it's crying. It's crying. Oh, and guys, let me meet you to the pro of. Hi, Simon. I can meet you. Okay, here is the pro who is playing Fortnite, his own favorite game. Hey, pro, say hello. Oh, my friend's calling me. I bet I should go right to her. Crazy dance. Shall we? Just mine now. Hey, what the heck did you say to me? You're a loser.
You are a loser.
Loser.
Oh, loser.
How can dogs speak? Such dumb.
He's so cute and fluffy. Oh my God.
She or he?
Sorry,
It's a he.
he.
Yeah. Guys, this is the tallest tree you can see. And we have another tallest tree. We have two big tall trees. It's so tall, it's all really it's on falling. Doot. I can show you from there, okay? Wait a second. I can show you the world's tallest tree. Not that world's tallest tree. Look at that tree, man. It's so big.
guys, अभी मैं शायद खेलने जाऊँ थोड़ी देर तक 4 o'clock तक.
I think it's 4 o'clock. Right, guys?
What's the time?
And in our home, there's so beautiful flowers.
What's the time it
Can you
is?
see?
What's the time it is?
I don't know. Mashallah, look at those beautiful
You have to
flowers. Whatevs. I'm just showing them the beautiful flower. It's like a star flower. Right, guys? Mashallah, it's so beautiful. Allah created these beautiful things. Guys, अभी ये सिर्फ vlog बनाई जा रही है. मुझे बीच में लाइन दो. और अभी मैं इसके साथ खेल रही हूँ. सो अभी मैंने इसको पकड़ा हुआ है तो मुझे कैमरा पकड़ने में बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है. बट फिर मैंने पकड़ा हुआ है. I'm not Moti Paji. You are Moti Paji.
Yes, you are.
Oh! Are you serious?
Crazy.
Loser! Loser! He's saying loser.
Crazy. Who wants to do the crazy dance? Oh yeah. I have it.
She's
so
crazy.
She's
mad!
Okay.
Really, she's mad. So
Now, who is the craziest? Tell me that.
okay, guys. So मैं आपसे थोड़ी सी सीक्रेट में बात कर रही हूँ. अभी मैं इस पे प्रैंक करने लगी हूँ. मैं से कह रही आयशा कि बेबी गायब हो गया है.
और मैं इस बेबी को कहीं छुपा दूँगी। और ये देखो मेरे पास बेबीज़ हैं, ये देखो दो है, बट अभी मैं छुपा दूँगी। 2 मिनट रुको, मैं बेबीज़ दिखा रही हूँ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द ओके रुको गाइस, रुको वेट, आप इसको देखो अभी तक। गॉड माय गॉड, कम है बेबी प्लीज। ओके नाउ इट्स कमिंग, शी इज कमिंग। तभी बहुत उदास है बिकॉज मैं उसको बंद कर रही हूँ छुपा कर। सीरियसली उसका जो हाल होगा ना, यहाँ पर मैं इसको बंद करूँगी, देखो आप हाँ बस इसको छुपा दूँगी यहाँ पर। पता नहीं यहाँ पर मैं भी देखती हूँ कहाँ पर, पूरी जगह देखो आप। इसके आई थिंक सो मैं कहाँ छुपाऊँ यार गाइस, कहाँ छुपाऊँ मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही। अभी मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही कहाँ छुपाऊँ मैं। I'm trying to find a new place but I cannot find a place. Okay, I found it. This place. I will kill him. So guys, मैं भाग रही हूँ ताकि वो मुझे अच्छा बेबी गुम हो गया। बेबी गुम हो गया। देखो मैंने नहीं देखा, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ढूंढ रही हूँ। पूरा you're joking, I will kill you. और गाइस इसका जो रिएक्शन है वो देखने वाला था। Oh my God, how? कैसे यार, ये कैसे हुआ? और you pranked complete. So now
Yeah, my babies, not yours.
okay, take it. Take this.
What?
Take this.
Take this, guys. What's up? Yeah, Al. I am having
Give
all
me
the
one, baby.
babies. Oh my God! Be careful.
Okay, not
You are holding
Nah.
with your super little hand. You super little baby. You're cute.
She's so cute. The baby's so sweetie, and other baby and other baby. Max, Star, and I don't know third name is. What is her name? What is her name?
Harry Houdini. She's
Harry
very
Houdini.
Look, she's very Harry.
Yeah, Harry Houdini. Boom. She
Look, Sweetie's gonna play with her kids.
Yeah.
Look. Come on, play with them. She wants
We
her
got
kids.
out.
No, she's gonna play with
Oopsie.
every single one. I think.
She
No.
okay, she go.
Look, this is. Ah! No! You like it? You should go. Yeah. No, you like that.